Hello, Namaskar, and welcome to Cards of Destiny. You're watching Sunrise TV, and this is Pal for you today again. I'm so glad to see you, everybody, again back on the same show at the same time as we met last week. और जैसे आपको भी पता है कि ये जो शो है वो अपना टैरो कार्ड्स और ये जो एंजल कार्ड्स बोलते हैं या सपोर्टिंग कार्ड्स बोलते हैं या जो भी कार्ड्स बोलते हो आप अपने हिसाब से, विच इज़ मोर अबाउट सपोर्टिंग फैक्टर टू एन इंडिविजुअल, जहाँ पे आपको कोई भी कुछ भी ऐसा लगता है कि कोई दर्द भरी कहानी है या कुछ समथिंग इज़ रॉन्ग विथ योर हाउस और योर फैमिली और योर डॉटर, योर सन, your parents or anybody in your relationship, in that case I would say your partner or your husband or your wife, then you can give me a call. Well, आपको भी पता है कि ये जो कार्ड्स होते हैं वो बेसिकली हम लोग एक नंबर से चूज़ करते हैं और उसी के ऊपर हम पूरा आपकी मतलब आई वुड नॉट से कुंडली बट वी गेट टू नो द एंटायर थिंग्स थ्रू दैट सिंगल कार्ड कि आप जो भी सिलेक्शन लेते हो उसके ऊपर. लेकिन मैं एक चीज़ बताना चाहूँगी कि ये जो भी कार्ड्स हम लोग अभी आपको दिखाते हैं या वट एवर यू कैन सी ऑन द शो एंड वट एवर यू कैन लिसन टू वट एवर वी से इज़ बेसिकली प्योरली ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द पावर, बेसिस ऑन द सिलेक्शन ऑफ द कार्ड, एंड इट्स मोर एम्फोसाइजिंग मोर अबाउट हाउ वी वर्क ऑन दैट. तो मैं एक ही चीज़ बताऊँगी कि इनकेस आपके पास आपकी डेट ऑफ बर्थ नहीं है या जगह नहीं पता है कि कहाँ बॉर्न हुए थे या आपको यू डोंट हैव एनीथिंग स्पेसिफिक रिलेटेड टू योर पर्सनल लाइफ, so this is the best medium of talking to people and understanding what is going wrong or what is going right in your life. So these cards help you at that moment. वैसे जैसे हमारे पास perfect time, date, astrology तो है ही हमारे साथ की, that's the best medium of astrology where you have everything perfect. But however, we have a lot of callers who don't like to take their names or their personal details on the TV or off air. So this is the best medium wherein we can speak to you and we can also help you at the most with the help of the cards, which talks about the powerful conversation between you and me on air. And this show is for 2 hours wherein 7 to 8 will be purely on air where you can see your cards as well, and 8 to 9 will be off air जहाँ पे हम आपसे personally बात करते हैं और वो TV पे नहीं होता है. So you have both the options available for you and you can decide what timing you want to call me and speak to me. However, जैसे हर शाम की शुरुआत करते हैं इस बार भी वही करेंगे बर्थडे पीपल से. So I would like to wish everybody a lovely birthday for 2nd December. Whoever is born today, and I would say first and foremost कि भगवान करे कि मतलब आपको हर एक खुशियाँ मिले आपकी ज़िंदगी में, and whatever you wish for, you must get it, whether you take it or you receive it or you get it. So let's see a quick look on the birthday cards for the entire year जिनकी भी birthday 2nd December में होती है. So I have already placed the card. So the card which I'll select today is the second. That's card number 2, and on basis we'll have a small a brief about the entire year. Yeah. So let's go ahead with that. It's card number 2, and let's check what is it saying. All right. I would say the first card itself talks a lot of things about 2nd December. Birthday people, which is a very good card again. जैसे मैं आप देख रहे हो कि मैं कार्ड्स निकाल रही हूँ तो मैं 11 कार्ड्स के ऊपर प्रेडिक्शन करती हूँ. दिस इज़ प्योरली ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ प्रेडिक्शन दैट व्हाट वी टेल यू एंड व्हाट वी सी. तो ये 11 कार्ड्स हो जाते हैं तो इसी के ऊपर हम लोग पूरी आपकी हिस्ट्री बताते हैं. जैसे अभी आपको कहीं ना कहीं लगे कि ये चीज़ जो हम बताते हैं वो it's affecting your life, and for a lot of people it may not affect, but it's also at the same time we say that it's an entire year prediction. So it could be that if not today then tomorrow it could be somewhere related to your future. So पहले जैसे मैंने बताया पहला ही कार्ड है आपका, जैसे ये talking about your birthday card is more of compromising. That's the best thing about the nature which you have. And I would say one thing is कि 2nd December की बर्थडे पीपल को कॉम्प्रोमाइजिंग नेचर रखना भी इक्वली इम्पॉर्टेंट है, बिकॉज जैसे जैसे मैं आगे कार्ड्स देखती हूँ ये कार्ड्स भी वही बताते हैं मुझे कि you have lot of dreams, lot of hopes and lot of जैसे कहते हैं कि करने की कुछ आशा है आप में, which is a very good thing again I would say. However, I also feel one thing is that कहीं ना कहीं आपका जो रुका हुआ काम है, जैसे आपकी आशा है, जैसे बता रही है मुझे ड्रीम्स के बारे में, तो वो आपकी फुलफिलमेंट की भी काफ़ी सारी, it's very close to the fulfillment of your dreams, you know, whatever you must have thought or whatever you must have got in your mind. And I would say that in case कहीं ना कहीं आपको थोड़ी सी कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ करनी पड़े ज़िंदगी में with respect to whatever your dreams would be achieving in another 3 months of time, which I see at this moment, थोड़ा सा आपको कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ करके वो एक्सेप्ट कर लेना आप, क्योंकि अगर आप उसको एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते हो या आप थोड़ा सा लेट गो नहीं करते हो उसको, तो शायद बहुत लंबा समय तक आपको वेट करना पड़ेगा उसी चीज़ का. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई वुड से, फॉर सिंपल वर्ड्स आई वुड से मैरिज. You know, people who would be thinking about marriage for a long time and who's already having a partner or a girlfriend at this moment, and if there's a proposal coming to them within say another 3 months of time, then I think they should go ahead with the proposal rather than, you know, not giving the solution at that moment or saying that no, let's wait and watch, थोड़ा और time दो, तो वो proposal आपका बहुत लंबा खींच जाएगा. So it could be couple of years from now, you know, if I have to say that. So I would say just try and prepone your thought process. At the same time, I see a lot of good things coming in your life, which is a very good card again. And I see a lot of good scopes. I definitely, I don't want to talk more on these things because I don't see anything wrong in the cards. Just one thing which I would like to emphasize is कि अगर आप कोई चीज़ सोचते हो और इफ़ यू फील दैट यू आर इन अ मिस्ट ऑफ, यू नो, ये करूँ वो करूँ, ऐसा करूँ वैसा करूँ, कि दो नाव पे सवार हो और पता नहीं चलता है कि कौन सा सही रास्ता है आपके लिए, then I would just say one thing is take somebody's advice, because the card emphasizes on, you know, the advice of a person in case you are in a dual situation. So this is for 2nd December people, and I would say once again, wish you a lovely birthday, and do enjoy your birthday, because every moment is very important in everybody's life. We have our callers ready for today, so we'll start with the callers at this moment and try to pick up as many lines as we can. Yeah, thank you so much for that. Hello. 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 Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, hi.
Hi, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. How about you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Thank you. Tell me, yes, how can I help you?
Right, I just want to know, basically, I've been with someone for like 5 years.
Okay.
And I want to get married to him and stuff, and what's it called? His family, they know and stuff, but it's just my mom who doesn't know about it. And
Okay.
I just basically want to know if I can, like, will I be able to get married to him and stuff?
No, I didn't get your question. Your question is that you want to get married,
Yeah,
and I mean you're in love with somebody.
yeah, that's correct.
Okay, so can I have your initial as well as the person you're looking forward for marriage?
My initial is NA,
Okay,
and
yeah, the opposite person as well.
his is UH.
Sorry.
U.
Okay, UH.
Yeah.
All right. So that's your question about marriage. So just
Yeah.
select one card in between 1 to 79, please.
What was that, sorry?
Just select one card in between 1 to 79.
Like the card.
Yes, please. Just say one card number.
Card number. From what number is it, sorry? 1 to...
It starts from 1 to 79. So you just have to select one number, and I'll remove the number which you say that, okay, this is the number of my heart or something, you know.
Right, it's 7.
Okay, so just one. So we'll go for number 7.
Yeah. And...
That's all. That's all.
Alright, that's all.
Yeah, this is number 7 for you, and let's see what is it saying. At this moment, are you in a situation where you can't, you know, get a correct way through? I mean, this is a question I'm asking you. That
Yeah.
are you in a situation where you're not able to access, or are you not able to understand where you should lead your life towards?
No, it's not that. It's
Okay.
just basically, I know, like, what's it called? I'm gonna be with him and stuff, but it's just obviously the family as well. So
Right.
I don't know.
Okay, so basically you're blank. You don't know what you should be doing.
Yes.
Okay, so that's what my question was. However, you know what? The cards are really good enough. But honestly, I am not able to see marriage in this coming year.
Right.
But if I have to see the partnership or the mutual understanding between both of you, it's just amazing. You know what, I see a lot of good things like in terms of understanding, in terms of relationship, in terms of the courage or you know, the bonding which you both have. It's really beautiful. And I also see at the same time that if you plan to be together, there are a lot of things, you know, which will help you in future as well, in terms of if there are anything which is you lacking in, you know, so one support completes both of you all.
Right.
So it's a very good card, but I'm sorry at this moment I don't see marriage happening, you know, so maybe it would take another year or something, because by the time
you can basically see it happening.
I see,
but not yet.
Not yet, but I see a very good relation between both of you all, and I would really appreciate, you know, if both of you all can actually look forward for a longer relationship. Because it's really beautiful cards. At the same time, it's also saying a lot of good things, a lot of positive energy it's showing in between both the relationships. It's not only you I'm talking about, but I'm also talking for Mr. You know,
right.
that both of you all are complete with each other. I mean, if you are lacking some negativity in yourself, but at the same time his positivity is becoming your positivity. You know, so it's a very good relation which I'm seeing. And at the same time, the only thing what I would say is just continue at this moment the way it's going.
Yes.
And later on when you plan for marriage, maybe that's the time, you know, you could think, because I don't see at this moment, at least for the coming year, marriage on your cards, but a very good relationship, I can see that.
Right.
A good bonding, a good relationship, a good understanding between both of you all.
Right, so obviously you can't see at the moment, but probably in a couple of years' time.
Right, so maybe in a couple of years, I would say, you know, could be 2 years or 3 years, but not at this current year. I don't see that.
Right, okay then.
Right, but I see good future, so I would just say that be ahead, think ahead of it in case if things work out for marriage, you know, then I think it's not a bad relationship at all.
All right, okay then, thank you.
Right, thank you so much for calling.
Take care, bye.
Bye-bye.